Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, La Vida with Kim. My name is Kim, and today guys, I am featuring my Coach 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽 Soho bag, guys. I just recently got her, and I have to say I am obsessed, guys. I have used her already, and I am so happy I went for it and just got it, guys. She is so gorgeous, guys. Today I am here to give you the up close look as well as what I have in my bag, guys, so stay tuned for that. So guys, let's begin. I am so excited to show you this bag, maybe convince you on getting it. I will link it down below, guys, if she is still available. So let's begin. Guys, look at her. So this is how she looks in the front. So gorgeous, guys. This is the back. It does come with a detachable strap, which is awesome. This is the back. So gorgeous, guys. Those crystals just shine so much. This is the side. And let me know what you guys think about these up close looks, guys. Do you guys like them? This is the other side. Detachable strap, like I said. This is the bottom. Can you tell I've used her like non-stop? So yeah, guys, she does come with her tags. Coach leather wear. The Soho flap, limited re-edition 2006. And it does have a magnetic flap, which is awesome, guys. And it does pretty good. Look at that. It's good. I love that. This is the inside. It has that zipper pocket. Beautiful smooth zipper. Sorry guys, she's a little dirty. Like I said, I have been using her. I love her. It has that little history tag. Beautiful, guys. Look at that. So spacious. The silver hardware. Just beautiful, guys. The stitching is beautiful as well. This is the top. This is how the strap looks. Detachable. Beautiful thick strap. The only thing is that I wish it was like, you know, it could just stay there. That's the only thing. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know as well. Do you guys like these up close looks? Do you want me to continue? Do you want me to stop? Let me know, guys. So guys, now to what fits inside. So preference wise, I do use her when I do have my kiddos with me. And I have to carry a little extra, but not so much, if you understand that. Moms understand what I'm talking about. So guys, first thing I would carry in her would be, of course, my little pouch from the 𝓬𝓸𝓷'𝓽. I love this. I have told you guys before, I love using this as my wallet in smaller size purses. It carries my cards, it carries my cash, and extra little cards that I might need. So, of course, this one. My microphones, my Rode microphones. You never know when I have to record, so always have to have these with me, fully charged. My phone charger, a small one, quick on the go. When I travel, I do carry bigger size chargers, but I love this one just for on the go, on the daily. It works perfect. I need another one though, because that one's like all old and ugly. Some lotion. I have the Perfect in Pink Bath and Body Works travel size lotion. I love these. They work perfect and they smell amazing. I also carry band-aids, guys, because kids, you know, I have 3 kiddos and they're always falling, always getting hurt. They want their band-aids, so I have to have band-aids always. Or guys, I have to admit myself too, when I wear like tennis shoes and you know, you get that little pelada on the back. If you know, you know. So for myself too, I have to admit I have to have band-aids as well, especially going to theme parks and stuff like that. I always have band-aids, but that is a must. I have a little pack of wipes as well. Once again, the kiddos, they always get dirty. They need some wipes. I have these. I love these little pouches. I got these from Miniso. Super cute, guys. Look at this. Small packaging. So cute. I also have my Nightmare Before Christmas pouch, guys. Look at this. It's Lock, Shock, and Barrel. Of course, if you know, I am a huge NBC lover. I actually got this from a fellow YouTuber for Valentine's Day. So this was one of the items I wanted and she gave it to me, and Nancy gave it to me, guys, and I have to tell you, I love this so much. I use it for my stickers, for my YouTube stickers. I carry mine's and my husband's here, because you never know if somebody's like, what's your YouTube channel? I'm like, La Vida with Kim. Look at this, so beautiful. My husband made me some stickers. I love these. And sometimes, guys, I even carry some Zyrtec because I do get allergies a lot. So I have these in here. Doesn't take up space at all. Look at that, so cute. I love this pouch. I have some chapstick as well. Bath and Body Works Vanilla Lip Balm. Like I've told you guys, I'm not a big lipstick girly, so chapstick is the way to go for me. I don't wear a lot of makeup in general, so just like my eyebrows and eyeliner. So yeah, I have pepper spray because, you know, people are crazy out there, and my husband's always like, carry your pepper spray. So always have to have this as well. Gotta be careful. You can never be too careful, you know what I mean? Toothpicks, guys. Oh my gosh, I always have to have toothpicks. I hate when stuff gets stuck in my teeth. It bothers the hell out of me. I love these. I got these at Target. Super cute packaging. I should bring this out, right? I just got a bling idea. And I also carry some candies, guys. These are C's candies. I have some chocolate and some cafe latte because I love these. And for the kiddos, I like to always carry like some type of candy, you know. So I have a few of those. And last but not least, my hair tie, guys. I always have my hair up, so I have to have one. If I don't have a hair tie, I freak out. So yeah, that's quite a bit of stuff, right? I didn't realize how much stuff I had in there. So this is what I carry in my Coach Crystal Soho bag. Let's add it into the bag. First thing I'm going to add is my sticker pouch. I love this one. Oh my god, it's so cute. My wallet. My microphones. My charger. My lotion. And I am going to be putting band-aids and like smaller things like that in here. I usually carry change in here too if I have some. The candy as well in here, easier access. wipes, toothpicks. Pepper spray needs to be closer to the top because you just never know. You never know when you're gonna need it. Chapstick and my hair tie, guys. And look at that. I still have more space in there. Do you see that? Lots and lots of more space. She is so beautiful, guys. I love her. Now it's time to decorate her. I did take off the chain from my 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽, the crystal one, if you have seen that video. And guys, I added it to this one because I just had to. It matches perfectly, and it reminds me of the Soho 25 that I want so bad. You know, the one that comes with the chain and the crossbody strap. Look at that. Cute, right? Oh my gosh. I can carry her like this, or I can carry her like this. And then she has a chain like that, guys. Look at that. So cute. I love it. I'm gonna add my pom-pom. Look at that. We're definitely adding some charms to this. I don't like that the hardware doesn't match. That really bothers me when the hardware doesn't match. But who cares? Oh well. I don't care this time, I guess. I'm going to move these out of the way. Put it in the front. Oh. Look at that. Boom. So cute. Brown. And guys, of course, we have to add a labubu. I have the one that reminds me of my hubby. Look at that. So cute. I'm gonna add it to the other side. Like that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, guys. It just took over. Ah, the glasses are falling off. Stay. And look at that. His chain even matches the bag. So cute, guys. Oh my god, I love it. Stay. So yeah, guys, what do you guys think? Oh my gosh, I love it. I am completely obsessed with this Coach Crystal Soho bag, guys. Like I said, I'm so tempted. You guys are probably like so irritated with hearing me talk about the Soho 25, guys, but I swear I want to get it so bad. I'm just like, what if they drop more crystal bags, guys, you know? And then I'm already gonna have 3, so I'm like trying to be patient right now. And you know, don't get carried away with another bag. But guys, I am loving this Soho bag. She is so cute. She is so spacious. Great for a mom on the go like me. So guys, if you have not decided on this bag, I highly recommend it. Go get it. Don't let it pass up. I will be linking it down below if you are interested. So you can go snag it, guys, because she is so cute. So don't forget to leave me a lovely comment down below. Let me know what you think about this bag. Do you have it? Do you want it? Let me know. Just start conversation down below. Also, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you already did. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. So, guys, once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.